Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. Today I'm going to do a EDC DIY. So we've all seen these. You can pick them up at the dollar store, at Walmart, the pharmacy. Kind of expensive for the amount of pills you get. Let's see. You don't get very many in here. I think you get 10 for under $2. They're good in a pinch. They're perfect for your pocket. But what I typically buy these for is the container. As you can see here, what you can do with a container. This was my first one right here. I put some Gorilla duct tape on it, a eye screw with a locking nut on the bottom side. I did file off that sharp tip there. Could probably be filed off a little bit better. But as you can see, I keep very important medicine in there. I need that medicine to save my life on certain occasions. Put a nice little clip on here and clip it to your belt, clip it to your keychain. I had a clip to my keychain for years. So we have that. This one here, let's see, is an empty one. And I tested this out before. You can fit 8 1/4-inch bits in here. See, that was 6. You still have room to go. This one here, I did as a emergency fire start kit. And the only problem with this is trying to get things out. But I made some fireproof matches. And there is some sandpaper in there to start the matches. And a cool idea that I had was take Vaseline and dip your Q-tips in it and put it in a straw. And now you have an emergency tinder. And I figured I burnt one of these and it lasts a good 2 minutes. So this video is not about the emergency fire kit, but what you can do with these actually. So not a revolutionary concept, but I thought I would give you an idea. Under $2 and becomes very useful. So there you have it. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.